Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no. Okay, this will be very quick yes or no reading. I won't give any explanation much. So we have many piles here. I think 12 piles here. So you can choose any one of them. Actually, how you have to choose is this time I did something different. So you can see the guidance cards and you can see the gemstones on top of that. You can see the picture or you can read the name of the gemstone. Then or we can say the healing stones. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. Maybe you are attracted toward the color or texture or the name. Okay, whatever it is, then you can choose any pile. Okay, so first I have the cards of handwritten cards like yes, no, maybe, wait, or something like that. Then we have one tarot card also, so that that will give the confirmation why it is like that. Okay, then also you will have the affirmations that you can practice. Maybe your situation will become better because these are the positive affirmations which you can follow every day. Okay, so that's all. Then I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for the constant support and motivation. And I request you all to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I want to improve the views also because nowadays views are very less. And also I request you all to comment whether my readings are resonating or not, or you can comment by giving your video suggestions, or if you have any suggestions also you can write in the comment box, and I love to read all your comments. Okay, I request your support also, and I also try to do more and more readings. Okay, that's all I have to say. Then if you need more time you can pause the video and select the pile. I have also given in the timestamps each pile, when is it, I have given the timestamps also. If you look at the video picture, you all the piles are displayed there. You can select from there also. Okay, then that's all. Then let us start the reading. Okay, I will read the piles once again. Okay, first pile, pile number 1 red jasper, pile 2 fluorite, pile 3 amber, pile 4 amazonite, pile 5 rose quartz, pile 6 hematite, pile 7 clear quartz, pile 8 carnelian, pile 9 citrine, pile 10 aquamarine, pile 11 leopard skin jasper, pile 12 angelite. Please excuse my pronunciation. Maybe some pronunciations are different. Maybe I'm not reading it correctly. Please pardon with that. Okay, then let us start the reading with the red jasper. Okay, whoever chose this red jasper, beautiful gemstones, the red jasper, this reading is for you. Let us see whatever question is there in your mind, whether it is yes or no. Let us see. You can also meditate on the pile, and you can pray God or universe, and you can see. Okay, wow, yes, the answer is yes. Whatever question you are asking, it is the answer is yes. So let us see from a tarot card. So we have the justice. Okay, so whatever you are asking, whether it is money, love, then career, whatever it is, the justice will serve you, and justice will come to you. So definitely it is a very positive answer. The answer is yes. So let us see the guidance card. Okay, it is red jasper. Are you procrastinating? Take action and complete what you have planned. Speak up for yourself, follow through, and take the necessary steps to see your projects to fruition. So I feel that you maybe you are asking about your job or career. Okay, let's not judge, but question can be anything. Have confidence in your own ability to make things happen. Okay, so these are the affirmations, friends. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. Angel of action, I am grounded and focused on the task at hand. I creatively complete projects so that I can enjoy and share the end result. I can motivated I am motivated to accomplish all that needs to be done. Okay, these are all the affirmations that you can read every day so that you can get the results quickly. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell symbol for no more notifications from my channel. And I lost my specs somewhere, so I'm not able to see properly. I'm not able to read clearly, so please excuse. Okay, pile number 2. This is fluorite, this beautiful stone. Whichever whoever chose this beautiful stone fluorite, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question. Is either yes or no or something else. Let us see. So the answer is reconsider. Okay, so universe is asking you to reconsider before asking the question, or maybe you are avoiding something or somebody, so universe is asking you to reconsider. So the answer, the tarot card is also hermit. Hermit means universe is asking you to meditate, think about yourself, know yourself first. What do you want? Even whatever you are asking, will that give you the fulfillment or happiness? Whatever you are asking about that. So universe is asking you to reconsider and also meditate, know yourself, what exactly you want, what exactly you need. Okay, so they're asking you to take a break, retreat, meditate, then you can act accordingly. So now let us see the guidance card, this beautiful fluorite. Have you been unable to focus on complex tasks? You are an intelligent being. You can lovingly accomplish whatever you put your mind to. Develop your inner genius. Educate yourself in areas you feel your knowledge may be lacking. These are the affirmations. Please take a screenshot also. Angel of intelligence. I am an intelligent being with the ability to focus on complex tasks and figure them out. I enjoy researching and learning new things. I am hungry to gain knowledge. I am smart enough to realize that I can always discover new information. Very good guidance card, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Let's move on to pile 3. Okay, whoever chose this beautiful amber, this stone, so this reading is for you. Let us see whatever question you ask to spirit, whether it is yes or no. Okay, it is, the answer is no, friends. Don't feel disheartened, there is something better for you. Let us see what tarot card says. So the devil. So whatever you are asking for, it is not good for you. So it is having the evil intentions or devilish thoughts. Okay, if you are asking about a person, if you are asking about any job or anything, so there is danger involved in this. So it is not good for you. So it is better to drop this idea, whatever you are thinking about, what you are asking about. So better to drop this idea, so you can wait for the good, another good chance or a choice. Okay, devil card, it is not a good sign. So the answer is no. So here you can see the guidance card amber. Are you allowing someone or something to drain your energy? So exactly all the cards are matching here. Establish boundaries. Surround yourself in a protective shield to deflect negative energy. Tap into the ancient wisdom within to transform your life. These are the affirmations. Angel of boundaries. I have the courage to set boundaries with love and grace. I am protected from negative energy. I am connected with powerful ancient wisdom that keeps me safe and provides me the know know how to make the protective changes. Really, it is hard for me to read without specs because the font is very small. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Whoever chose this Amazonite, this reading is for you. Whatever question you are asking, whatever question is there in your mind, let us see whether the answer is yes or no. Spirits and angels, please give the answer yes or no. Ask your friend. Okay, so universe is asking to ask your friend. Maybe they can guide you, they can help you. So let us see a tarot card. If you are not happy with the answer, then you can choose another pile also, friends, don't worry. So the hierophant. Okay, so whatever you are asking, it is related to a person who is very good person, I can say stable person, very well respected in the society. Or if you are asking about a job or something, then you have to seek guidance from your elders or friend. Ask your friend came means it is you have to ask for the wisdom, ask for the knowledge, because you are not able to decide whether it is good for you or not, whether it will happen or not. You are not able to decide, it is not clear. So it is always better to ask your friend or elders. Okay, the hierophant also is always, it is a maybe card. Okay, this is the guidance card. Amazonite, are you holding back something you need to say? The truth about the certain matter needs to be spoken. Okay, so universe is asking you to speak up. Okay, you have to make the things clear. Honesty is important at this time. Have the courage to speak up with grace. Loving words have the power to heal and improve a situation. Okay, so let us read the affirmations. Angel of truth and honesty. I live my truth and honestly communicate what is on my mind with ease. I effortlessly find the words for express to express my truth and speak eloquently and lovingly. I surround myself with people who are not afraid to um, honestly express themselves. Okay, these are all the affirmations. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. So whoever chose this rose quartz, this reading is for you. Whatever the question is there in your mind, let us see if the answer is yes or no. Spirits and angels. Okay, so answer is 100%. Okay, now we don't know whether it is 100% yes or 100% no. Okay, let us clarify with the tarot card. Okay, the judgment. So the answer is 100% yes, because the judgment is a yes card, and also this is a reconciliation card. If you are asking about any person, if you are not in talking terms, then this is the reconciliation card, and you will get the judgment. That means something is going to end very soon. You will get the judgment. If it is about a job or any career or finance, whatever it is, judgment is coming very soon. Okay, so this is 100% yes, whatever the question you asked. Let us read the card, guidance card. Rose quartz. Are you ready for a new relationship? Do you wish to improve a relationship you are in? Begin by romancing yourself. You are worthy of a deep, fulfilling relationship. Love yourself as you wish to be loved. Cultivate your friendships and be happy to romance. Be open to romance. Okay, so these are all the affirmations which I'm going to read now. You can, if you want, you can take the screenshot. Angel of loving relationships. I love myself and I enjoy my own company. I am grateful for my friends and other people of importance to me, and I enjoy spending time with them. My heart is open. I encourage romance in my life. Very good affirmations, friends. You can read to make the things faster. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. So let us move on to the sixth pile, which is hematite. Whoever chose this beautiful hematite stone, this reading is for you. Whatever question you are asking to spirit, let us see whether the answer is yes or no or something else. Yes or no, spirits, please give us the answer. It is maybe. So the answer is not clear. You can choose another pile also, because the answer is maybe. Let us pull the tarot card to see. Okay. So the emperor. Okay, emperor also, it is a kind of a maybe card, but mostly inclined towards the yes. But if you are asking about the power or any job or any position, okay, so you might get, but it will take time, because emperor card is there. You have to be little what can I say, you have to be little down to earth. You cannot control others, you cannot order others, so you have to be little friendly, and you should not be like emperor. You should not feel that you are great enough, like not like others, you are superior to others. So this kind of negative emotions will not give you the success. So you have to give some time to the things or to people. Okay, so let us see what guidance card is given for you. Hematite. Is your mind on overdrive? Are you feeling physically hyperactive? Have you been sleeping well? It's important to be more grounded. Imagine roots growing through the soles of your feet into the earth. Allow disquieting thoughts and excess energy to drain away. So let us see the affirmations. Angel of inner peace and grounding. I am calm and peaceful. All is well. My life is good. My roots absorb goodness from the all-giving earth, which fills me up and brings me serenity. I am love, and all that surrounds me and all that is attracted to me is love. Okay, so beautiful affirmations, positive affirmations. You can read it. Okay, so let us go to the pile number 7. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. Whatever question is there in your mind, let us ask spirits and angels whether it is yes or no. So spirit universe is saying reconsider. Okay, let us see what your tarot card says, why they are saying reconsider. So it is sun card. Okay, so you will be happy if you don't stress for this something you are asking about. Okay, you have already abundance, you have already happiness in your life, you are settled, your life is very good right now at the moment. So universe is saying, do you want it really? Reconsider, rethink. Okay, so you have everything. The sun card is the ultimate card in the deck. You got that card, so you are happy, you are fulfilled, you have everything in your life. Are you sure you want that thing which you are asking about? Okay, that is the reason universe is saying reconsider. Let us see the messages or guidance. Clear quartz. Are you trying to gain clarity? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Is your path unclear or uncertain? Go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situations. Very nice. And let us see the affirmations. Angel of Clarity. I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Very nice affirmations. You can read it, and I'm very happy that you got the sun card, friends. Okay, now let us move on to the eighth pile. So it is carnelian. Whoever chose carnelian, this reading is for you. Whatever is there in your mind, whether the question, whether the answer is yes or no, let us ask spirits and angels. Please tell us, spirits and angels, whether the answer is yes or no. It is maybe. So you are not happy with the answer, then you can choose another pile, friends. There are many piles here. That is the reason I have selected 12 piles. You can choose any other pile and ask your answer once again. But let us see why it is maybe. So it is Empress. Empress is always yes card. So it is about the abundance, then it is about the pregnancy, about the marriage, about the unity, about the maturity. Okay, so actually the answer is yes only. So it is, you have to see whether it will happen or not, what you have to do for this particular situation. If you are asking about a job, suppose, then you have to see whether I can be able to get the success. If you are asking about success or anything like that, a promotion or anything like that, already I have so much work in my hand, will I be able to sustain with that? So this is entirely up to you whether to take it or not. Okay, so the answer is in your hands. What message I am getting here is the answer is in your hands. If you want it, it will happen. If you don't want it, it will not happen. But the Empress card is very, very positive card. It is a abundance card. Whatever you are asking, there is lot of scope for the abundance. Okay, and growth. Let us see the guidance card here. Are you involved in a creative project and or thinking about starting one? You are fertile with good ideas. Okay, so Empress also pregnant, right? Even here also they are saying you are fertile with good ideas and the ability to conceive something magnificent. See, friends, that is the wonder of this tarot cards, how the cards are related to each other. See, I have selected with shuffling, and I did not choose the cards by seeing them. But still, the Empress, the pregnant lady, and these cards are really matching to each other. That is the power of tarot cards. Whoever is having the doubt, please understand that is the power of tarot cards. Okay, something magnificent. Have the courage to take action to make your dreams come true. Yes, you have to take the action where if you want the answer to be yes. Allow yourself the time to create. Let us read the affirmations. Angel of Creativity. I am fertile in body, mind, and spirit. Creativity flows through me in many ways. I am brave and bring my ideas into actuality. My imagination is the key to my success. I envision my future and joyfully participate as it unfolds. Okay, this very, very beautiful affirmations. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. So let us move to the ninth pile. Whoever chose this citrine stone, this reading is for you. Let us see whatever the question you are asking to spirits and angels, whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, so the answer is no. So let us see why it is no. Let us see the tarot card. It is the Tower. So it is clearly says the both answers are no, because the Tower is it is not good for you whatever you are asking, and it will not happen. Already some Tower moment happened in your life, and once again it cannot happen and it won't happen. That is the reason it is no. Okay, so it is a clear sure answer, that is no. So the guidance card I'm reading, Citrine, are you lacking confidence? What do you find difficult to accept about yourself? Acknowledge your magnificence and focus on what you do well to increase your self-esteem. It is safe to be powerful in a loving way. Shine your light to reach your full potential. So these are all the affirmations that you can take a screenshot if you want to. Angel of self-confidence. I am courageous and shine my light brightly for all to see. I am confident in my abilities. I honor and respect myself for who I am and what I can do. I willingly allow others to see my magnificence. Okay, so very nice reading, friends. Even though the answer is no, but they are saying why it is no. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. So whoever chose this beautiful aquamarine card, stone, this reading is for you. Whatever question you are asking to spirits and angels, let us see whether the answer is yes or no. The answer is yes. Okay, so it is very straightforward answer. Lucky people you are. Very good answer. Yes. Whatever question you are asking, the answer is yes. The world. Wow, it is a very nice card. This card is about travel, long distance, enjoyment, and rebirth. Okay, so this is a very beautiful card. Then it is also the yes card. If you are asking about somebody, then they are thinking you as their world. They have lot of love for you and they are planning to take you on trips, going out. Even if you are asking about any money, finance, or something job related, then you will have a lot of prosperity and you will be traveling also. Okay, the word means you will be traveling around. Okay, very nice card, friends. Lucky people you are. Let us read this guidance card, Aquamarine. Are your emotions in turmoil? Are you feeling uneasy? Spend time at the water's edge to regain emotional balance. Clear away any negative energy you may have accumulated from unsettling conversations or negative internal dialogue. Very nice. And let us read the affirmations. Angel of emotional balance. I am able to identify my feelings and resolve unsettling emotions. Negativity flows away effortlessly and lovingly. My emotional body is awash with positive energy. I enjoy a sense of balance. Safe travel over or on water is a certainty. Okay, so even the world card is talking about travel, and this card is also travel. It is saying safe travel over on a water is a certainty. Very nice cards, friends, and please read these affirmations again. That's all I have for you, friends. Then if you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let us move on to the 11th pile. Whoever chose this leopard skin jasper, this reading is for you. Whatever question is there in your mind, if you are asking to spirits and angels, let us see the answer, if it is yes or no. Not the right time. So universe is saying it is not the right time to ask this question. You have to wait for some more time, then it will come true, or what, you have to see. It is not the right time to ask. So it is the moon card. So moon card means there are so many hidden things inside which you are asking about. Whatever it is, job or money or person or relationship, whatever it is, there are many hidden things involved in this connection or in this situation. So you have to wait. This is not the right time to ask. You have to wait and watch. That's all you can do it. So let us see a guidance card. Are people around you suddenly changing their tune? Have you decided it's time to change yours? Do you need to be more flexible like a leopard? Stock yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Observe yourself and those around you. Let us read the affirmations. Angel of flexibility. I am flexible and adaptable. I objectively observe circumstances and seize new opportunities as situations naturally shift and change. I bend and flex with the flow of life around me. There is no resistance, only willingness. Very nice. You can read these affirmations again and again. Okay, the last but not the least, whoever chose this angelite card or gemstone, this reading is for you. So whatever question you are asking to spirits and angels, whether the answer is yes or no, let us see. So they are saying wait. Okay, so you have to wait. It won't happen immediately. So it will take some time. You have to wait. But it will happen. Universe is saying it will happen, but you have to wait. But let us see the confirmation from the tarot card, whether it is yes or no. Okay, magician, very good. Okay, so the answer is yes only, but you have to wait. This is not the right time. The universe is asking you to wait. You will manifest it automatically. Okay, this will happen in your life. You are the magician, you are the creator of your own life. Then you will manifest it, but it will not happen right now. It will take time, but you will manifest it, whatever you are asking about. Okay, so let us read the guidance card. Are you receiving intuitive messages? Do you wish to be more intuitive? Quiet your mind. Accept communications from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Notice messages from nature and your surroundings. So let us read the affirmations. Angel of communication. I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and I apply them to my life with wisdom. Very nice affirmations, friends. Then that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.